I just got my Island Batik box for July 2022, and I'm just opening it. So, first thing, got some fusible batting strips. Always fun. I've done a rug or two. I've got some cotton batting, my favorite. Oh, this is very cool. I got an Prairie Spirit Alpacas pressing mat. Nice, and it's a big one. Wow, really thick, really awesome. That's pretty stinking cool. Okay, I've got, oh, here's another batting. Oh, it's a black batting. So this is a king size or queen size black batting. Love it for the dark and dark bright quilts. It's pretty nice. Plus it's the heirloom batting, which is still my favorite. And another. This one is Thermore. It is really thin, but really nice. Anyway, so that's another batting. So cool. Oh, there's something else. This is one of my new favorites, and it is the cotton wool blend. I like it a lot for me, but I don't want it for anybody else. I want to hoard it for myself. It's like the heirloom, but even better. So, yeah, love that. And this one is a throw size, 60 by 60. That's a really good usable size. Okay, let's see. Trying to pick and choose the cool things I've got. So this is Midnight Glow. Ooh, lots of my favorite colors. Reds, purples, a little gold, little teal. Wow. And this is designed by Kathy Engel for Carrie Nichols Quilting Renditions. It will be shipping to shops in September, and I'll make a quilt in September with that. I'm not sure what yet, but that's pretty awesome. Okay. And let's see what else I've got. Ooh. So I have 6 yards of a neutral. This is bone, so it's really good neutral. Okay. And I've got 2 yards to go with. Ooh, oh my gosh, I think I love this. This is my favorite new fabric in the whole wide world. Oh my goodness. So these go with this gripping. Yummo. Oh, okay. My new favorite fabric. Wow. This one, ooh, yummy. And it is called, let's see. It's called Eggplant. Num Num. Okay, I got this bundle, which is, these are some foundations. So these are half-yard pieces of just a bunch of great fabrics that are easily and fabulous to mix in. Oh, love this orange one. I also love this blue one. This blue one is fantastic. This pink one is fantastic. So is oh, that's the same blue one. They're all fantastic. Love those. Okay. Ooh. Oh, yum, yum, yum. I got a couple of the stash builders. These are, I think each grouping is like 2.8 yards. They're 5-inch strips. And I've got a purple one that's got, oh, look, some green and orange. Oh yeah, I love that. And turquoises that also have, oh wait, purple. Love, love, love. Fabulous. Okay. Love the stash rolls. Those are really good to use. Okay, oh, we get into some fun things. Oh, yummy, yummy. This one is a strip set. This is Cheers. Ooh, really good. And then 2 coordinates. So this is kind of a pale teal and kind of a light celery. Yum, yum. Gotta love that. Okay. Oh, let's see what's this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is for, I think this is for October. This is a Biani kit. And I'm going to tell you, I don't know if I can wait till October. I love Biani. It's a couple of green pieces, some foam, and the pattern and all the accessories. I'm going to be making the catch-all caddy. So I kind of want to unwrap it because it's so good. See if I can find the end of my bag. Oh, there it is. Oh, I just ripped the bag open. So I've got a couple of greens. I think I'm going to use that one for the binding. This one and this one. So not sure which one's the inside, which one's the outside, but they're all delicious. So I'm not sure if it matters. I may change my mind 5 times until then. And there's the catch-all caddy pattern. I love making Biani. They make me happy. Let's see what else I got. My favorite, oopsie, that. I've got black, white, and gray, which are fabulous to mix in with everything. And let's see. Oh, I got a surprise bundle, which is for November, and I'll be making something special with that. So I've got a couple of yards, and it looks like a half yard pack to go in with that. This is how it came in my box. I mean, I just opened my box like right when I started the video. So that's kind of awesome. Let's see, I got 2 more things. Woo. So I just got a AccuCut, a really big template. This is for the Tree of Life. And wow, it's a big template. And I will be able to make this with pretty much one cut. So I'm going to make something in July, actually. I will make it fairly soon. And do a cool quilt with this. Not sure what I'm making it out of because I have so many cool choices right in here to choose from. Plus all my other stuff too I can mix in. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think I got this. I got one more thing. The Diamond Rex ruler from Deb Tucker. So I will be making something in August, September, sometime this fall using this ruler, which it looks like it is meant for squaring up diamondy things. So that's kind of cool. So I will figure that out. Wow, could have used that a few months ago. Really love her rulers. So that's pretty awesome. So hang with me and see what I can do for the rest of the year.